Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. My crafting idea for today is to work with these die cuts that I found at the Dollar Tree. Let me show you my die cuts from the Dollar Tree, and then these are all the Crafter Square die cuts. This one is the flower, and it should look like this when you design with it. And then here's another one. These here are the edge cutting, and we have the scallop, the wavy cut, and then we have the petals. Look at that, cute, huh? And then there's this one here. This one has the postage cut, it has the confetti stars, and the big scallop with the stitching right underneath. Look at that. And it should look like this when you cut it. There's also this one, the corner die. Look at that. And then here's some examples of how you can position those corner cuts. And then there's the heart, the nesting hearts here. And then you get 3 different size solid hearts. And there's this one. These are all the leaves. And this is what they should look like once you cut it. I hope that you will join me today as I design with these die cuts. It has taken me a while to find these die cuts, but and I hope that you are able to find yours also. The first thing I want to do is separate my die cuts. Let me move these aside and hold these off. They're just taped on with a double-sided tape to the cardboard. Just going to peel it off the cardboard here, like that. And then I have I'm just using my little needle nose plier, and then they have attached right here with the tab. Grab the little tab with the tip of your pliers and then just rock it back and forth, and then that'll separate your dies just like that. And oops, sorry. And then get that, and then you gotta make sure you hold it in there. Rock that back and forth and take that off. That's trash there. And then this. Now, if you have like the nesting dies, you can, it's up to you. You can keep it nested if you like, or you can go ahead and separate them. If you are able to get more than the one die, I would suggest you get 2 of these dies, these heart dies here. And the other one I suggest you get 2 of. If you can get 2 or 3 of these, it's a good idea, because these are the confetti dies. Now if you're trying to make confettis, it's with the one die, it's going to take a while. So I suggest you get more than the one. The same thing with the hearts. You can separate them, and then these, just get your plier in there, wiggle that back and forth, and that comes off like that. You know, what's helpful about finding more than the one die is that when you're cutting, you don't have to constantly reload your dies just to get more than. That's if you're trying to cut more than one heart at a time. You have to be gentle that you don't bend your die when you do this. Don't rush. Take your time. There you go. And get that off, just like that. And then the same thing with the leaves. You can go ahead and separate those. And just grab the little tab there, rock that back and forth. And then that one, some of them just, if you bend the next piece like that, automatically breaks off. See? And then you just need that last piece like that, pull that off. And the same thing with this one here. Peel it off the cardboard there. And you can do that. You can, well, you don't have to use a plier necessarily. Just look, just wiggle it back and forth, and it will come apart. I just like using my pliers. Grab that and then just tip that one back. The light, there we go. So here are our dies. There's the little leaves. Oops. There are the hearts, and then these are our border dies over here. There's the confetti die, and then there's the leaves or the petals. And here's our corner piece and our flowers. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and test the die cuts now. Now I have 3 of these star confettis. So I'm going to put them all on one paper. That way I get a multiple of stars at once. And attach that. And slide it in there. And let's find out. Look at that. I have stars. Multiple stars all at once. Now I wish I had this for my patriotic decorations. This would have been so helpful. Look at that. And then you can, made your own stencil. Of course you have to do just one row if that's what you want, or do however many rows you want, and you stencil that in and then lower it. Make your own background. Next we're going to try the leaves. These are the Dollar Tree papers. Look at that. It's a cute little package that you find at the Dollar Tree. I was fortunate enough to get one that has this little homemade paper in there. And then let me run this through here. Let's see what they look like. Okay, let's see. Oops, I'm missing a die. Oh, here it is. It was attached to there. Ha! Look at that. I am impressed with this. Look at that. Isn't it cute? That's the berries. And now here's the little leaf. Oops. Now you can leave this little silhouette in there if you like, or you can take it out. And then here's the larger one. Look at that. Cute. You can cut it out again and put a different vein in there. That'll be cute. Look at that. Okay, on to the next one. If you have not been able to pick up your Dollar Tree paper packs, you guys should do that now. They have some cute little samples in them. Like this one, look at that. If you can tell, so cute. I like it. So then this one, we're going to try the flowers. Put that on there. Look at that. You can already tell. It's so cute. Look at that. And then just, well, you're going to have to, I see what you're going to have to do. You're going to have to go ahead and trim that to the cut right there. Now here's the little what do you call it, the stencil part, and then here's the flower parts. Let me see, let me grab another paper here. So you would design with it like this on your paper. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? I like that. They're nice. I want to try those little rolly flowers. Their petals. See, I have a purple one here. Let's try a purple one. Put that on there. And okay, so here we go. Look at that. I have the little arches here. It just fell right out. See, they just fall right out. That tells you these are some good dyes. Yep, let me show you right quick first. Look at that. Now let me cut this out. Now, you need one of your tweezers or your twill. Grab the end there and roll it. I want to see what this looks like. Let's get that rolling. Well, you don't necessarily have to do that. Let it go. I'm going to pinch the end there. Look at that. Can you tell? Isn't that cute? Look, a little wonky flower. A cute little wonky flower. Well, my base is a little too wide too, so put it back in there. Now, if you don't want to use it, you don't want to make flowers with it, you certainly don't have to. Take a piece of paper there, keep it unrolled it, and then add it to your project like that. Cute, huh? On the top layer like that, or you can certainly put it on the bottom and edge your paper like that. Treat it like you would do lace, just like that. See there? Isn't that pretty? As just a little, as an edger. Cute. multiple uses for this one too. I like it. Okay, let's make some clouds. I think these will make cute puffy clouds. I'm gonna put that one there. Gosh, okay, hold on. Just give me a minute. There we go. Got stuck to the top. Oh, you know something I just now noticed? Let me trim that. Of course, you have your scallop edge now. You also have a stencil. Now, look at this. Isn't that pretty? Look, in between each little puff, you have a little heart. Tiny little hearts in there. That is so cute. Well, maybe it's not supposed to be a heart, but hey, it looks like a heart. That is adorable. I like it. And let's see, let me grab another piece of paper here. I have quite a collection of papers here. I'm looking for ways to use them. Okay, I'm gonna go across this right here like that. Across my paper from one edge to the other. Okay, hold on. I need a little helper. My endless supplies of washi tape. Okay, let me add one of these to hold that down. And send that one through. Now this is the wavy edger. Take that off. Look at that. Get my paper. There's that. There's that. Oh, hold on. This way. Well, you can definitely make a pattern on your paper with that. You know, like that. Hey, you got Halloween coming up. You could put spooky eyes behind there. Cute. I like it. Okay, I have another cute paper here. Let's see, this side is up. I have my the postage edger here. I'm going to put one on the end and go from there. And then we have the little scallop one here. And put that on the other end. And then stabilize that one. And send them through. Let's see what these look like. I am looking forward to how all these dies are working so far. I am impressed. I am happy with my purchase from the Dollar Tree. Oops. I have this cotton paper that came in my package. So, okay, be careful. You'd have to tape that down. If you have this paper, you'll know which one I'm talking about. Tape it on the back side, I think, maybe. So, and then, oh, it can't be avoided. I'm just going to have to yank that off like a band-aid. That's there you go. See there? That's the postage cut. And then you have your little scallops on that side. It does leave a bit of an indentation, kind of like reverse emboss. So just be aware of that. And then the same thing with the postage side. See how it left a little indentation there. I'm happy with these die cuts. So cute. So we are having fun today. Let's do the hearts next. I have the large one there, the medium size, and the tiny one. Look at that. Cute. There's the big heart. The medium heart. And the little heart. Cute. And then your stencil if you like. You could make windows on your card like that and make a little shaker. Wouldn't that be cute? Let's see. Let's put these hearts aside. And then we have the corner ones. I do have 2 of these. It made sense to me to buy 2. Now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have picked up 4. Oops. Look at that. That's so cute. It's one thing you see it on like a shadow picture on the package. And it's another when you're the one cutting the paper. Look at that. Cute. And then if you're just using the little corners itself, there you go, look at that. That's one. Let me get the other one out. So if you're designing like that, oh, you know what? This would look good on an envelope. We should try that. Look at that. Cute. Now, take those one off. If you're trying to do the silhouette part, or oh, look at that. Isn't that pretty? I believe we did sample all the pieces now. I have this long envelope here. It's gray with a white tone. Next, I was thinking about maybe using these little flowers on here like that. I mean, that looks really good too. If we do that, and then maybe just the upper corners. I also have some Dollar Tree stickers. It's a cute little sticker one with the little bike and the flowers. I think that that would be cute too, huh? Recently bought these little stickers. Look at this. These are the little rub-on stickers. I have this one, and then I have this one that says spring and joy, and then this one says how do you say that? Jet Emmy. Anyways, XOXO. Love. This will look cute on here too. Look at that. have a couple of tiny little buttons here. Look at that. These are Dollar Tree buttons. I'm just going to go ahead and add that to the front. And I'm just using my cement glue from Dollar Tree. Just put a little dab there and just I'm going to drop a couple of buttons on my little collage there. Just like that. Here is our completed envelope. Look at that. So cute. Just adorable. So on this side, we used two of the dies. We used the floral down here on the bottom. And then up here in the corner is the corner dies. I trimmed the corner dies just to 2 points and added a button. And then on this side, I used the rub-on stickers. I used the love notes and recollaged the envelope. Added some buttons and a sticker. Above the flowers here, I stamped it using the boho clear stamp collection from Dollar Tree again, and stamped it with Catch Your Dream. Here, I used this pop-up stickers from the Dollar Tree again. I disassembled it and then I flipped it over like that, and then just restamped my entire envelope using hickory smoke ink. I think it's turned out well. On the back side here, I've used two full corner dies on the bottom here, and in here I just trimmed the die down to 2 points, or a point here and a point there, and put a sticker in the center. We open it here. I stamped it with 2 images of the feathered tassels. On the inside, I put in 2 sheets of die paper and stamp each sheet with the stamp again. And then here is that boho collection from the Dollar Tree. I like it. Cute. It's a really good stamp collection also. And then just fold the papers into 3 there. Tuck it back inside. And there we go. A completed envelope. I am going to create a second envelope. This one we're going to use this die cut, the little petal border die, and I went ahead and trimmed some out already. This is what it looks like. For this envelope, I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree stickers. Isn't that cute? And then the other main items I will be using are this ribbon. It's a black and white check from the Dollar Tree. I would like to use some of this stamp. This is the Llama Collection clear stamps from Dollar Tree. I also have some bling bling. There's this one here, and there's a black one. Okay, here is our envelope. This is our second one. And then this is the die cut right here with the flower petals. Look at that one. And I went ahead and ran the border all the way across for the petals. And then on this envelope, I used a background stamp, musical stamp, and then just added some flowers. And then I used the chalk paint sticker set and put them on there, and I added some bling blings to the flowers. Look at that. And then I also ran one all the way across the ribbon there. And then this is the black and white check ribbon from Dollar Tree. On the back side here, I did the music note stamp there. I put Find Your Way here. Again, today we used the llama clear stamp set, and that looks like that. And then on this side I put the Love for Today sticker on there. I added more flowers, and I did that by just cutting up one of the extra stickers here. It came off of this bouquet here. I took the pop-up sticker apart and then just cut up the flowers so I can have more flowers. And then I just did a little ribbon bow there with my check ribbon. I like it. It is cute. And then I have my die paper, and I stamped these also with Keep On Dreaming. And I'll just take these papers and then just fold them in 3 sections like that. I'll roll one more time. And then that goes in here. There we go. So today I was able to show you 2 envelopes, and we decorated both envelopes using the Dollar Tree die cuts. I think they've turned out really well. I hope you guys like those, and I have give you some ideas on how to use your die cuts, especially on the envelopes. They turned out really well. I'm happy with these. Thank you for stopping by today. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas.